shot by them, see what they do. They can see us. I'm in a bright white shirt.
I'll take the one on the right.
Everyone up? Yeah!
They're DEA. No, we can't shoot them.
Don't shoot them.
We can't shoot them.
They're not contacts. DEA apparently, I don't know.
They're wearing green.
They said we go back to spawn, we shoot. What do you got for me, Jake? Gotcha. Hey, Ben, John. Jake's moving. Oh, you okay, Nipplewood? Do a barrel roll, motherfucker.
I'm gonna check with command. Move up so you get a good spot.
Gotcha. Alex, what do you got up there? Gotcha. I don't have my radio on me. But I did. Channel 16.
I know they're not answering back yet.
I'm gonna step over. Hey Ben. Get up in one of the two. Moving up. Johnny, I think we're getting enemy fire down the ridge. He's shooting at something over there. Hey Alex, start grading left. I think they're cutting through the trees on the left side. Yeah, way left, where Jake's more. Gotcha.
White flank, contact.
Gotcha.
Watch it.
Brooks, you good? Oh, that was close. Yo, Jake, my 12. You guys in or out? Are you guys good? Gotcha. Huh? Gotcha. With this, they're not going to do that. Gotcha. Is that all green down there? Ben, or Jake, down the road, is that all enemy? Straight down?
Yeah. The end of the road?
Yeah. Are they in? F60, motherfucker! Laser sight, left barricade.
We got a guy down over here, Johnny.
Don't worry about it. There's 3 picks, all right?
That way.
What? 12 still?
That way.
Alright, I got that way. I know what that is. Huh. Hey Johnny, you gonna try medicing that guy or? Right there, my 12?
Wait, the guy in the pink guy?
Yeah, I believe so.
No, he's good.
Are you sure? Who's yelling medic then?
No, he's probably calling medics. We're gonna move in. Andy, you're good, right?
Gotcha, let's go.
Hold more than just the periphery, all right?
Alright. Johnny, you hear that? Moving up middle. Moving up middle. Suppress fire! Mind the border, it's at our 12.
Hold it.
Yo, famous Amos! Alright, just checking where you are. I didn't see your head. Oh, fuck the rain.
You have freaking mesh. You have any more of those meshes?
Nope.
I need one.
What'd you say, Jake? You want me to squirt him for a while? Hey, he's trying to shoot through the crack in the middle there. You see him, Jake? Gotcha. Nice, Alex. You just hit him.
I did?
Yeah.
Who?
Some guy over there. You shot and he just didn't
I
hit.
can see a head. And I can't see more than like 20 feet in front of me. I need to get my AK too because this thing is not close.
Hopefully this rain just dumps out and it's done with.
Soak for the rest of the day.
I brought spare clothes. What? Huh? Not white. I got a black long sleeve, but I figured I'd be dying in that thing. Oh, bug. Fuck. Through the bushes or to the barricade? Oh, you little shit. Behind the barricade, left side. Go ahead. Changing positions. Moving.
Quiet outside, 60. Quiet out there, buddy. Not for sure where we're at. Right behind you.
Still. Oh, hello, forehead. Watch your head. Go ahead. Heads up. I got height, motherfucker. Hey, Alex, my bush, 12 o'clock. They're down, they're down. Damn, there's a lot more over there. Are we good? Who's got medic? Can't you double medic strip?
Border Patrol, got contact with Border Patrol, 2 of them. That same head, that same vehicle, buddy. That same little slot.
Gotcha. Oh yeah, I see him. Just gotta watch out for that guy. Oh no, we're not doing that again. Gotcha. Gotcha, I might be dying of battery here. Oh, I got plenty of ammo. He's still in that little peak head. Oh, mother. Dead man, or medic. Yo, Alex, you got a strip? Medic! Touch, cha-cha! I'm at you 12. Medic! Oishba. He's still in the frickin' bunker. Medic! He's getting there, just give him some cover. Oh, don't be shooting me in the finger now. Come on, Johnny, I'm all wet for you. Hooker, hooker.
A small wrap, so wrap it. I'm gonna wrap it on your.
Well, you can't go around my penis, son.
Jesus. Put this on your wristband.
That works, just pop it on there. I need to do some squirting. As soon as I die again, I'm gonna go charge my battery. I'll grab my right shoulder, my sniper. Is he still in that bunker? Which tree? There's a lot of those. Gotcha. Damn, Ricker, get off me.
Another guy. Can't see him.
Yo, Ben, you got shot? Someone's got a shake mag. Nice. Green laser. Ooh, that was accurate. They're all pushing left. We're going far left. Shit.
Maybe a bit further back though.
Yeah, they just cut down to the trail. You're fine. This thing's gonna need a charge. Yeah, it's pooping a little.
This dude stop watching this trail back like that way.
Alright.
You know, you can push back if you want. Like if we start seeing down here, or you can go now. Doesn't matter, but you set up where you gotta do some line of sight on those guys.
What? Gotcha.
All right. Watch this way. Far left, bro. Yep. Hail it.
It's all about a squad of 6. Yo, Johnny, you wanna follow with me real quick? We're gonna go down to this ridge.